Hi everyone, I'm the RV DJ again for yet another installation video on our 2025 Jeep Gladiator. Today we are doing a locking hood latch kit from Red Rock, which I ordered from extremeterrain.com.
Nice people.
Awesome company, great customer service, and really long customer service hours. Like, for hours. Anyway, so in the box, we have, of course, our handy instructions that Jim already has out. And we have our latches. We have some hardware and tools. They always seem to supply the tools that you need. Three Allen wrenches right there. Okay. We have our gaskets. They include gaskets for a JK Wrangler and also the JL Wrangler, which also fits the JT, which is what the Gladiator is. And yeah, the hood latches and everything. So we're gonna go over the instructions real quick and see what we need to start. I believe the list said the three Allen keys. We need a socket, a couple sockets, a wrench. We should be good to go. So we'll be right back. So what are you doing first, Rev?
Well, we're going to remove this 13mm nut and bolt out of this bottom latch.
Make sure you get the magnet too.
Hopefully I won't need it, but it's in the back of the toolbox.
So he's taking off the stock hood latch right now.
Okay, that's the stock hood latch.
That we'll put away for safekeeping.
Okay. And step 2 would be remove two 10mm nuts from up here. Should be able to use the latch for that.
So we'll be back when we get those. Alright. Now that he undid the bolts, we can take the upper latch off of the hood. Put that with the other one for safekeeping. Now what do you got?
Well, we have this little gasket set. Comes with two gasket sets, one for this type of Jeep, and the other one is for another type of Jeep. And it comes with these four gaskets. Okay. We just put the white thing on it so you can see them better. And these are for the JL and the JT. So the next thing we have to do is we have to remove the hinge bolt from the last assembly. So this is the new hood latch. And you have to remove this pin for installation. Use two 5mm Allen keys with a sender. One to hold the one side and the other to turn. And one side's got a piece that goes through and the other side just has. And it comes apart like that. The next thing we need is one of these. This is a M8 by 20 millimeter tapered Allen bolt. A flat washer. A flat washer. And then put the appropriate gasket, which is this, between the bolts. So it looks like it goes like this. And that. And that. And then using the
Okay. And so now he's going to put the other pinch bolt in that attaches the actual latch to the body of the truck and the other catch. Alright, now that we have the latch attached to the bottom bracket using the supplied Allen bolts, the next step is to attach the top latch on the hood itself. Alright, so now that we have the bottom and the top hood latches on, I'll show you how they close and lock. So you have to hold the hood down like you do with the regular latches. Put this up on the top like that. Press down like that. And then you would lock it with the key. And then lift and take it off like that. And that's it. So, other side is the same way, if you don't have to go through. But, that's it. That's the installation of the Red Rock locking hood latches. Now we don't have to worry about having our batteries stolen or anything like that, because obviously the Jeep did not have an inside hood release. So that's why we went ahead and we did this. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.